These deep-fried deviled eggs are the perfect Asian twist for a sweet and spicy mouth party. Man, those are good. Here's how I made them. First, drop your eggs in some boiling water, give them 11 minutes, and pull them back out. Dump them into their ice bath, crack them, peel the shells off.
Here we have 4 eggs, hard-boiled, peeled, ready to go. Let's get these things cut in half and start deviling.
Slice those eggs in half and scoop the yolks into a separate bowl.
Yolk boys, make them yolks. Drop.
Drop those egg whites into some 375-degree oil till they're golden brown. Get those little crispies out onto a paper towel. In with our mayo, a squeeze of mustard, dash of hot sauce, and whisk until your arm hurts. Seriously, it needs to look smooth.
Any Asian style sauce will do for this recipe, so go pick up a bottle of teriyaki sauce or your favorite beat-up sauce, and let's sauce them like some wings.
I used Asian zing for these, but you can use any Asian sauce you want to. Toss those like chicken wings, plate them up real nice. Place your filling into a piping bag, or in this case, a Ziploc bag. Cut the tip off, and squeeze those little peeps back into their nest. Next, we're going to top these with some Sriracha sauce. Sprinkle some chives. I know, they're freeze-dried. And lastly, a few sesame seeds for some garnish.
And there you have it, folks, these beautiful Asian-inspired deviled eggs with a crispy fried exterior, a little bit of Sriracha for some zing, some sesame seeds. I'm excited for this one. Let's dig in. Yolks up. Yo, that's absolutely delicious. You got the heat from the Sriracha, you got the fried crispy exterior like orange chicken. Make these for your next event and shock everybody. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Yolk Boys to see more recipes and experiments with eggs. Bye.